Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another unboxing video. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the Soundpeats Free wireless earbuds, an Amazon bestseller. So if you've been following along the channel, you will know that when I'm out staying active, I also like to have headphones in. I like to listen to music if I'm doing an extreme sport like mountain biking or skiing, or if I'm out for a walk or a leisurely hike, I might just be listening to a podcast or just have them in to answer the phone. So the great folks at Soundpeats actually sent me a pair of these to test out and unbox on my channel and to give you guys my honest opinion on how I feel about these. All right, let's get these guys unboxed, get some charge into them, and see what some of the functions are. Okay, so we have matte black packaging. Everybody's doing matte black these days. I think that's the new standard in packaging. You must have matte black packaging and then you know the product is quality. All jokes aside, it's very nice packaging. So inside this box, yeah, they're in there. There are different size ear pieces for the inside of your ear. This is a USB type C. Yes, a USB type C cable. Very short one, but that's fine because usually with these guys I actually charge with another portable battery anyway, so it's not like I need a huge long cable to put this case closer to my hands. It's good, short cable's fine. Okay, so having a look at these, it's a plastic case. USB goes in the back here, and then that USB-A goes into your charger. Oop, that one just popped right in. This one here. That's take these off. Okay. That's that. Alright. Pop these back in. Close it, so we have a red light, which I assume means they need to be charged. Okay, but let's have a... Okay, yeah, they hold in there pretty good. I don't know why that one slipped out when I first opened it, but... Okay, so slippery guy. So the case is good. The earbuds seem to hold in there pretty good. I will have a look at the rest of this box. Oh. Manual. Now, a lot of people will not read the manual, but as you know, I usually kind of glance through it just a little bit. Okay, so Bluetooth connection, we should know. Reset wearing. Aha, this is what I wanted to know. And it's not, I don't know if that'll show up on there. I'm trying to get that to focus on this camera. Okay, here we go. The important information that everyone's gonna wanna know, and something that I'm definitely gonna be testing out on these because they are touch sensitive. You double tap, and that's play pause. On the left, you single tap, and that's volume up. On the right, you single tap and that's volume down. On the right is volume up. On the left, single tap volume down. Press and hold for the previous track on the left. Press and hold for the next track on the right. Double tap to answer or hang up. Hold to reject. Switch between two calls. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Activate voice assistant. Triple tap the right. MFB. Okay, so that's the one I want to test out, right? So you can then use Google. So 1, 2, 3, and see if it works. All right, so let's get a charge into these guys. I will pair them up to my phone and give these functions a little bit of a test and let you know what I think about the sound quality. And I mean, all of these guys now, like the earbuds, they hold in really well. So I mean, keep an eye on the comments down below if I let you know that one fell out while I was mountain biking, but from what I've seen from these, they usually hold on real nice. So I'll check all that out in a minute, but first I gotta get some juice into these guys.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm back and I think I've got enough juice in these guys for them to work. So I will open up the Bluetooth on my phone. Usually when you take these out of the case, they should go into pairing mode. So let's see. There is, I don't know if you can see that, but there is an LED in there and it is flashing red and blue. And there's one on this side that's white. There they are. Would you like to pair with the Soundpeats Classic? Yes, I would. Okay, so I can already tell you guys that the volume works perfectly. So I'll just open up Spotify. So if I touch this one, you can see the Bluetooth there, the volume's going down. Play Pearl Jam from Spotify. That's amazing. So that's something that I find super useful if you're gonna have earbuds like this, is to have some control over not just the audio, but over your phone as well. So answering a call, etc., that's great, but being able to activate Google Assistant is even better. So to give you an example now, I just tapped this 3 times. Play Stone Temple Pilots. Skip works as well. Show you guys here. Basically to skip, you just kind of touch it for a few seconds and then it skips a track. Volume, just touch once. Just quickly. They sound good, really good. Wow. Okay, so I just want to give another huge thank you to Soundpeats for sending me these. This isn't a sponsored video. I was by no way paid for my opinion. They just sent me a set and said, hey, try these out. I love the price of these. You really just can't find another set of wireless earbuds out there with all of these great features for this price point. So I put a link in the description to Amazon. They were on sale. Maybe when you're watching this video, they still are. They're actually one of Amazon's best choice as well. So that's super awesome. I can kind of understand why for the price point. What I really love about it is the fact that I can just touch and raise the volume, and it works really well. Like just touch, volume's raised, touch and hold for a little longer, skips the track, tap it 3 times, Google Assistant. Like that is amazing. So I'm really happy with how intuitive the controls are. The volume level's great. The one thing I might do is actually put in the medium-sized kind of ear cups because these ones feel a little bit loose, so probably because I have a little bit bigger ears. So I think I'm gonna switch those Outside of that, I think these are an excellent value. So if you are looking for a decent quality set of wireless earbuds that have a few extra features to them, I definitely recommend checking out the Soundpeats headphones. So if you found this video interesting and it led you to buy a pair of these headphones, there's also a new option called Super Thanks, so I'll make sure that's activated below as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.